Hey, welcome back. In this video, I want to share something that can completely change the way you look at weight loss and your body. If you've been struggling to lose weight, you've been feeling stuck, or you're wondering why nothing seems to work, this video is for you. Because fasting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about honoring yourself and your body, giving it the time and space it needs to reset, repair, and finally start burning the fuel it already has stored up. Fasting is not deprivation. It's self-love, and here's why. Think about this. Most of us are constantly feeding, constantly snacking, constantly digesting all throughout the day. Our bodies never get a break. But when you fast, even for a few extra hours, you're showing your body love. You're saying, I respect you enough to give you rest, a break from the constant processing and digesting of my food. Fasting allows your body to finish digesting what you've already eaten completely. It frees up that energy to focus on other important processes in the body, like detoxing and repairing. It activates something powerful called autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged or dying cells and recycles them. And most importantly, fasting helps you tap into the fuel you already carry on your body, your stored body fat. So here's the shift that changes everything and why fasting is a game changer for weight loss. You're not starving yourself. You're teaching your body to use the energy it already has way more often. Imagine this. Every time you fast, your body reaches into your fat stores and says, thanks, I'll use this for energy today. Kind of like going to the ATM and pulling out money to spend for that day. That's not punishment, that's freedom. Instead of fighting your body, you're working with it. You're giving it exactly what it needs to heal, reset, and burn fat way more effectively. Now, I know firsthand, fasting can feel intimidating at first. You might wonder, can I actually do this? Will I have enough energy? What if I get hungry? I'm so used to eating. Here's the truth though. Your body was designed for this. For thousands of years, humans lived with natural periods of eating and fasting, right? Feasting and famine. Your body already knows how to do this innately. It just needs you to give it a chance to do its thing. And the best part? The more you practice, the easier it gets. Hunger fades, energy increases, mental clarity and focus skyrocket, and the scale finally starts to move in your favor. So let me reframe fasting for you. It's not restriction, it's restoration. It's not punishment, it's freedom. It's not about denying yourself. It's about loving yourself enough to give your body the chance to thrive. When you honor your body through fasting, you're saying, I trust my body. I respect my body. I'm ready to let go of what's been weighing me down, literally and emotionally. So here's your next challenge. Try extending your next fast by just 1 extra hour. Try it out, give your body that gift. Notice how you feel. Notice the clarity, the energy, the lightness that comes from it. This isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress. Every time you choose to honor your body with fasting, you're taking 1 step closer to lasting health, freedom, and the results you've been chasing. Remember, your body isn't broken. It's brilliant. All it needs is a little more space to do what it was designed to do. This is another powerful way to start loving yourself lean. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. I'd love to be a part of your journey. And I'm wishing you the most success on your journey. See you in the next video.